So I want to request a refund from Facebook. And I want to show you how you can do that. So if you run ads on Facebook and for some reasons you want to request a refund, this is how to go about it. A lot of people do not know that this feature is actually available to Facebook, so sometimes they just don't do it. But I want to show you how this is done. And I have a very peculiar case with Facebook. So this is an ad account here on Facebook, and this ad account is supposed to be a prepaid account. And as you can see here, we have just about 10,000 Nigerian naira here available in the funds in the account, but Facebook still doesn't charge it. As you can see here, it says that this ad account is disabled because they could not process the payment, but I actually have funds here, but they are not charging it. So I want to ask for a refund. I want them to send me this money here. And there's a way you can try to do that. So the first thing is to come to your business account, which is business.facebook.com, and you want to come to the payments and billings. All right. So when you come to the payment and billings, you will see your ad account. So in my case, I have this ad account. I also have a card. And if you come right here, you can see that they are struggling to bill the card. I don't know why. They are also struggling to take money from here. Again, I don't know why. This is just strange. And I just want to request for this money back. All right. So if you come to the bottom, you see here where we have Get Help. So you click on Get Help and you want to select this payment, a payment. You need help with a payment. And here you find I want to request a refund. All right. So you click on that and they are going to ask you how much you want to refund. But as you can see, we have different payments here. Like they have a transaction record of what I funded here. So let's say we just selected this payment. You might not see this payment. I don't even know why this is showing here, or you can select the payment that you want to refund. And then as you can see, it says that they are requesting a refund. And please know that if you are requesting a refund for an ad account that is still running ad, pause that advert. All right. So this is basically how you can request it. So they allowed me to request just one, but I want to request even more. So in your case, you might see the option to write what happened. In my case, as you can see, I was able to just request it because I had some recent transactions. But you can just come here, click on contact the support, and this is where you start writing. So you want to write why you need the payment. So the reason for the refund, you can come here, select ad account was created by accident, ad account spent more than expected, ad account ran longer than intended. So you can just select anyone here. So let me just say it was created by accident, and then I come here, I want to say I have around 10,000 naira there. So I'm just going to say 10,000 naira, and I'm going to come here and then I'm going to write a description of what transpired and why I need the money back. You can add a screenshot if you have any. So I have a screenshot that I want to add there. So I'm just going to come here and look for this screenshot. So I've just added why I need the money back. And after that, you just want to click on send. So after sending this, you need to wait for some time. They are going to send you an email attached to the very Facebook account. So you want to pay attention to the email that you have attached to this Facebook account. So as you can see, it says your message was sent to Meta support. We will send you an email, and you can also check your messages right here. So if they approve it, then they will now return the money to you. And this is how you can request for refunds from Facebook ads or even Instagram.